In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly use a gift card to complete your online purchase. This process is straightforward and convenient, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to master this simple yet effective way to shop using a gift card. So let's dive right in and walk through each step together, ensuring that your online shopping experience is as smooth and efficient as possible. First, as you embark on your online shopping journey, make sure you've selected all the items you wish to purchase by adding them to your cart. This is a chance to review each item's details like the size, color, and quantity to ensure everything is as you desire. It might be helpful to double check your selections before moving on to the next step. Being certain about your choices can save time and prevent any unnecessary exchanges or returns later on. Once you've ensured that your shopping cart is filled with the chosen items, it's time to proceed to the checkout. At this point in many online stores, you'll typically find a button or a link that will direct you to the checkout area. This is where you'll finalize your purchase by providing your payment information. As you enter this phase, look for the section that allows you to choose your preferred payment option. In this specific instance, you'll want to select gift card as your payment method. After you've selected gift card as the payment option, you will be prompted to input your gift card details. This typically includes two crucial pieces of information, the gift card number and the PIN. Both of these will usually be located on the back of the card, often under a protective scratch-off coating for security purposes. It's important to enter these details carefully to avoid any errors that might delay your transaction. A misstep can sometimes cause an error, requiring you to re-enter your information. With your gift card number and PIN correctly entered, the next step is to apply your gift card balance toward your purchase. This is very straightforward. Usually, it's just a click of a button to apply the balance. Doing so will automatically deduct the available funds from your gift card, applying them to the total cost of your order. In the rare event that your purchase exceeds the balance on your gift card, don't worry. You'll usually be prompted to select a secondary form of payment to cover the remaining balance, ensuring your transaction can continue seamlessly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully completed your purchase using a gift card. Remember, this is a fantastic way to make use of those gift cards